Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Plant and Animal Cells, Life Science Grade 10. Study the diagram of the cell below and answer the following questions. Question. Write down the letter only of the vacuole. Correct answer is D. The structure labeled D is the large fluid-filled sac that stores water, minerals, and wastes, helping the plant cell maintain its shape. Question. Write down the letter only of the endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer is B. The structure labeled B shows the network of folded membranes involved in transporting proteins and other substances inside the cell. Question. Write down the letter only of the nucleus. Correct answer is A. The nucleus controls all cell activities because it contains the genetic material needed for growth and functioning. Question. Write down the letter of the organelle responsible for the following function. A. Support and protects the living contents of the cell and gives rigidity to the cell. Correct answer is G. The cell wall. This thick outer layer gives the plant cell strength and shape and prevents it from bursting when water enters. B. The site of all metabolic processes. Correct answer is F. The cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like medium where chemical reactions take place and organelles are suspended. C. Provides energy to the cell through cellular respiration. Correct answer is E. The mitochondrion. The mitochondrion releases usable energy in the form of ATP needed for cell activities. Question. Provide an observable reason why this cell cannot be from the root of a plant. It contains chloroplasts, labeled C. Chloroplasts are only found in cells exposed to light because they carry out photosynthesis. Root cells do not have chloroplasts since roots are underground. Question. Explain the observation you would make if this cell was placed in a concentrated sugar solution. The cell membrane will pull away from the cell wall, plasmolysis. Water will move out of the cell into the concentrated sugar solution by osmosis, causing the vacuole to shrink and the membrane to detach from the cell wall.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.